Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. In this video, I am going to show you how to get data based on specific text. In this example, salesmen are there. Based on salesman, we want daily sales amount. Without splitting, how to get it? Simply we use if formula. For using if formula, directly it will not work because it has lengthy text. For that we have to use if with search. So type if, then search. We want specific salesman, so we just type salesman Rakesh. Then from where we have to search, we have to give. So it should be a A1, bracket close, comma. We want sales amount. For that, simply write again you put text A1. We want 4 numbers. If it is a 5 digits, you put 5 digits, bracket close. For closing if, just comma 0, bracket close, enter. So it will give specific to Rakesh amount. Rest of figures it will not give. So still we want use some if error. If it is not available, we want some information, no data, like that. If error, finally you just in inverted commas, no data. Here we have to change it to Ajay. Like that we can able to search the values based on salesman. We can trace it out as a filter. Here we can use find also, but that is a case specific, so we don't want that. We want only search function. In case we want only 2021, entire 2021, simply just copy this formula. Only text should be changed and reference should be changed. A1, A1, you just put 2021. So this will be very helpful. Without splitting cell, we can able to get the information. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.